Good morning to all of you. I am Rupesh Kumar Kote, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, Sri Rawatpura Sarkar University, Raipur. Today I am going to introduce the numerical problem related to thermodynamics. Uh, for first problem, say a mass of 1.5 kg of air is compressed in a quasi-static process from 1 megapascal to 0.7 megapascal. For which Pv is equal to constant. Pv is equal to constant, that means isothermal process. Pv is equal to constant, that means isothermal process. Okay, isothermal process, and the initial density of air is 1.16 kilojoule. Rho is given 1.16 kg per meter cube. Find the work done by the piston to compress of the air. That means we have to find the work done. If the piston is compressed uh, from initial position to the final position, then initial position is the 0.1 megapascal and the final position is the 0.7 megapascal. Then we know the work done for the quasi-static process is equal to PdV, integration of 1 to 2. Then PdV P is equal to constant. Pv is equal to constant. We can also write the P1 is equal to P2 V2. Then there P is the function of the volume. That means this is P V is equal to, we can write P1 V1. Then we can find the we can find the P is equal to P1 V1 upon P. P1 upon P. Then where we put the value of the P is equal to integration of V1 to V2. There will be 1 upon integration of 1V, integration of 1 upon X. Suppose uh, Tx is equal to ln x. That's why I have written the ln x. If limit is 1 to 2, and what happen? Limit will be the 1 to 2 or ln x2 minus ln x1. We can also write the ln is equal to this is the logarithmic rule, x2 upon x1. That's directly written here the v2 by v1. Okay, v2 by v1. This is the derivation or the work done. We can also write the p1 v1 ln p1 by p2. That is here is written also. P1 v1 is equal to p2 v2. Then we need to p1 value. P1 is given 0.1 megapascal and p2 is given 0.6 megapascal. If you will do p1 and v1, p1 is given or not. If not given, then we can find there is a row is given. P is equal to p1 equal to mRT1. There is a p1 v1 is equal to mRT1. Here we can find also the where mass is given r equal to 0.1 0.718. Okay, then also the p is equal to p1 v1 by p1, v can be p1 by p2, p2 by p1, directly p2 by p2, and also we can put here. And again we need to v1 v1 equal to rho is given. Rho is equal to mass by volume. We can find also rho is given, then v is equal to m by rho. Same thing is written. Then we can find the value of the p1. We will put the p1 value and the p2 value. We will get the final answer is the work done is equal to 251.5 6 so 3, here is a 6 3 kilo joule. Okay, this is the final answer. Our next problem is, if a gas of the volume 6,000 centimeter cube and at pressure of 0.1 kilopascal is compressed statically according to the P ka power 2 is equal to constant. That's a written P ka power 2 is equal to constant until the volume become 2000 centimeter cube. That is given V1 is equal to 6,000 centimeter cube, and there is a this value is the v2 is equal to, here written v2 equal to 200 centimeter cube. Determine the final pressure and the work done. Final pressure, that means the p2, the relation is given pv ka power 2 is equal to constant. P1 is given, there is a we have to find the P2, V1 and V2 given, then we can find the how to P1 V1 ka power 2 is equal to P2 V2 ka power 2. We can find the here value of the P2, we can transfer here P2 ka square, then we can find the P2. P1 is given, V1 is all given, and P2 is also given. Then we can find the P2. Here is one problem, 200 centimeter cube. Then we have to multiply by 100 power minus 6 for converging per meter cube. Okay, that then answer will become 0.002. We always consider the SI unit, SI unit. That's why we will find the P2 value. Again, the we know the work done for the PV power 2 is a constant. Work done is equal to what? P1 V1 minus P2 V2 upon n minus 1. Same thing is written here. Okay, we'll put n is equal to 2, P1 V1 and P2 V2 is already given. Then we can find the value of the, this will be this is the written in the work done, compressed work done. This is the answer will become positive and negative, and there is a directly written in negative, that's why 1.2 kilojoule. The compressed work, that means we are just apply the force, that's why answer will be minus. Then we can write the compressed, then answer will be the 1.2 work done is equal to 1.2 kilojoule. Yes, C that means the compressor work. Okay, thank you.